Hello friend, this is Winter Street. I'm Jack Chen. I will just introduce this model gun, 1-2 model gun. This is Luger P08. It's a Germany. So it's only a model cannot fire. And here it comes with a plastic shell, a Chinese instruction with a clear picture. See, you can see the decomposed picture all on it. When it all assemble it like this, but this gun have no reserve. A bag. Also, it can put about, see, like this. A little tie, see, can put it here. Yeah. A glass to clean. A small toy tool and a knife. This knife is good, very good. See, it's many kind of tool on it. And now, let's see the gun. When you get it, you should assemble your own. We will decompose like this. See, now I will do it. First, turn this to about 90 degrees, like this, just like this. Turn. You see, and then take this and take the magazine. The magazine. This bolt can take the bolt, see? Pull or put in it. Put in out, just like this. But it cannot fire, see? Only model. Not very big, but it's very beautiful. Okay, and then take it. See, take it. Pull. To this side. And you need this tool. Take this. See? And you see. Then put it all. We will sand like this. It's easy, but you need to assemble it your own. This all together, and you will see this, and like this. But sometimes we ship it like this. Assemble this, you need a little patience. Now, see, and here's put the small hole, not the big. See this in the hole. And put in. See? And now we put it together. Push to this side, to this side. Put this in. See? It's all ready. And then put this back. And this. Here, a small button, you see? Small button. And here's a hole. See? And push it. You will see like this. And then here just you will hear the voice pop. This is funny. The function is just like this, or I can do it. See, the hole are sold, so can't fire. See? See? Thank you for watching. See you.